Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen entering animation when unlocking your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Okay, first of all, lock your screen and unlock your phone. There will be some animation. Okay, uh, after unlocking you will see some animation for home screen. Okay, if you would like to change this effect, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to dynamic effects, and here select home screen entering animation after unlock. Just click it, and if you choose other option, fly out layer, then fly out, then fly in, then fly by layer. Okay, I have chosen this one and click on apply and see the changes. Yes, see here, see here. Okay, so this is the dynamic transition for home screen after unlocking. Okay, in this way you can easily change dynamic effects for our home screen after unlocking in your phone. That is entering into home screen. Okay, dynamic effects for entering into home screen after unlocking in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.